The final school to present their piece tonight has consistently held a firm spot in the competition this year, and they are prepared to take it all the way. But can they do it? Let's see. Please put your hands together for Central High with It's Going Down.
Let's get this party started. I swear I'm cold-hearted. There's no negotiation. I'm not here for debating. You need some motivation? Just look at Ben's face. Then ask yourself how long you think I'll remain patient. I throw him overboard and let him swim in killer sharks. You either hand over the one or you be ripped apart.
Now let's all just be smart. Although for you that must be hard. You get your one. No one has to come to any harm. Don't try to intimidate. Your bark is much worse than your bite. Who's the baddest of them all? I guess we'll find it out tonight.
Let's go, bring it on. Better give us what we want. Give the one for the crowd, even though it's going down. Let's go, make a move. Peace or war is up to you. Give him up and do it now, even though it's going down. We want the one, or else the king is gone. The time is running out. Watch it, let's go. We're prepared to stand our ground. It's up, put him up. It's going down. Make it straight. I want to say.
Yes, Central. Sounding real good, of course. I remember a song I have where I talk about organize and centralize. Yes, some centralization was taking place right there and in the lyric too. I like the uniforms or the costumes. Yeah, the Henry Morgan thing. I go and see. Yeah, you're not going down, you're going up. They are definitely mountainous for you. Welcome.
Yes, Central. Good job. I like the drama, the theater that you brought, which is, you didn't get from all of them. Very, very cool. I'm not so sure about the sword fighting. It looked like you're a chopping cane, but it's all right. But we're having fun, and I'm glad you're here. Yeah, man.
Central, you know that I have been pushing you from you came in, and I am so pleased. You know that you are in the top 5? You believe? Okay, no, it was a good presentation with the harmony and the variety that you put into it. The weakest point in the whole thing was really the sword fight, because you lost the energy. When you came back, it was just not there. But Central is in the top 5. That means you're a winner.
444-8801 is the number you need to call or text if you want to keep Central here for another week.